Zion train is coming our way. Zion train is coming our way. And people, get on board. Get on board. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. I got to catch a train 'cause there's no other station. And we're going in the same direction. And Zion train is coming our way. Zion train is coming our way. And which man can save his brother's soul? I'll manage your self-control. I don't lose the world, but lose your soul. 'Cause wisdom is better than silver and gold. To the bridge where there's a will, there's always a way. Where there's a will, there's always a way. Hey, hey. And 2,000 years of history cannot be wiped away so easily. And 2,000 years of history cannot be wiped so easily. And I said, Zion train is coming our way. Zion train is coming our way.